Hello and welcome to this introduction to the new release of CORECO products in the BIMobject cloud. CORECO is a manufacturer of commercial refrigeration equipment. You can find CORECO's products using the BIMobject browser, filtering by brand, category, file type, regions, or just by typing in CORECO in the search bar. By clicking on a product, you'll have access to its product page, where you can browse through images, descriptions, specifications, links, related information, classification, and regions in which that product is available. In the Links tab, you can browse through installation instructions and other technical data. When we click the Download button, we see this object is available in 3ds, ArchiCAD, 2D and 3D AutoCAD, IFC, Revit and SketchUp. A preview of the file is available by clicking the 3D button, where you can access the 3D configurator and have an accurate idea of the content you're downloading. General information about this manufacturer can be found by clicking its logo. Let's jump into Revit. CORECO's products can be placed directly into your project with the BIMobject app. Just click the Browse button, search, and download the desired product right into your project. CORECO's BIMobject have 3 levels of detail. These objects for Revit include electrical and plumbing connectors, so you can integrate them in your MEP projects. To create a pipe or power line, you just need to click and drag on the desired connector. We can also place CORECO's objects in our ArchiCAD projects by using the BIMobject app. You just need to browse and download. CORECO's BIMobjects for ArchiCAD have 3 LODs as well and contain all the product information and links to all the relevant information on the product. All of these settings and links can be managed and accessed via the Object Selection Settings dialog. BIM Supply Spaces is BIMobject's cloud-based solution for sharing project information with just an internet browser. You can access CORECO Spaces through the Showcase product page, just by clicking in the Spaces button. CORECO's products displayed in this showcase are structured in the same way as CORECO's catalog, maintaining even the same color code. The objects in the showcase contain all the information and links, including one to the product page in the BIMobject cloud, which you can access just by selecting an object and clicking the Properties button. Thank you for watching.